Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss May here, One Fab Teacher, and I'm here with my baby bro, and we are here to announce the winner of my Teacher Toolbox giveaway. Yay, yay, yay! To start the brand new school year, this 2018-2019 school year. So my brother is going to do the honors by opening up the envelope, please.
Here we go.
Da, 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 da. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be?
Crystal Burton!
Yay! Congratulations, Crystal Burton. We appreciate your comments, your likes, and your love. Congratulations to you. Your comment meant so much to me. Congratulations. Yay, Crystal! Oh, you got a text message? Sound like you got a text message, bro.
Oh, yes I do.
What is it?
We have the second winner.
That's right, guys. 2. I could not decide, so I told my brother, I said, you know what, should we do another winner? And he said yes. So we have 2 winners. So he's gonna open up the next winner. So exciting! Who is the second winner of the awesome Teacher Toolbox? Uh-oh.
Las Vegas Housewives!
Congratulations!
Congrats!
Yay! And I just want to say thank you to everybody for your comments, for your love, for your support on my channel. It means the world to me. And congratulations to the winners. We love you guys. Have a blessed rest of the weekend. And don't forget to always pray, because God will always make a way. Bye, guys.
Peace.
Mwah.